People have named it many ways, trying to point to what remains. They placed it somewhere far away, outside themselves, beyond the day. But what they search for isn't distant, it is present, calm and constant. The very breath that moves us through, the quiet power we already use. This presence isn't standing apart. It moves as mind, it moves as heart. This is the life that thinks as me, not outside but inwardly. Without this presence I would fade. It is the ground on which I stay, not separate, not something else. This awareness is myself, the life that moves, the truth that is. This living spirit moves as this. Remove this presence, nothing stands, no motion, form, or inner land. It animates each thought I hold, it gives direction, calm and flow. What people try to name as far is closer than the thoughts we are. Not something added, not supplied. It is the knowing from inside. I stop imagining a divide and feel this truth as unified. This is the life that thinks as me, not outside but inwardly. Without this presence I would fade. It is the ground on which I stay, not separate, not something else. This awareness is myself, the life that moves, the truth that is. This living spirit moves as this. No need to search or reach above. This power moves as what I love. When I allow this truth to stand, I move in line with who I am. I recognize what never left, this inner source, this quiet depth. The life that thinks, the truth I see. This living spirit moves as